Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Daily Dialogue, where we turn real conversations into your English classroom. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Sophie. Today's topic is something truly universal: emotions. We all feel them, but explaining them well in English? That's what we'll help with.
We're diving deep today: vocabulary, idioms, real stories, cultural tips, reflection challenges, grammar practice, plus a quiz and extra fun facts.
So stay till the end. And while you're here, please subscribe. It helps more learners find us and keeps this free content coming.
And remember, comment your favorite emotion idiom, or just share how you feel right now in English.
Let's start with basics, but let's go deeper. Repeat aloud after us, then make your own sentence. Happy. I'm happy because my friend called. Excited. I'm excited for the trip. Nervous. She's nervous before the interview. Calm. He feels calm after yoga. Angry. They got angry during traffic. Sad. I was sad after watching that movie. Grateful. We're grateful for our teacher. Embarrassed. I felt embarrassed when I forgot the word. Proud. She's proud of her brother. Anxious. I'm anxious about my results.
Let's add advanced words for richer speech. Overwhelmed. So many tasks, I feel overwhelmed. Relieved. The test finished, I'm relieved. Inspired. That speech inspired me. Frustrated. My phone died again, I'm frustrated. Nostalgic. Old photos make me nostalgic. Astonished. I was astonished by the view.
Pro tip. Combine words. I'm tired but happy. Nervous and excited. Sounds natural and native.
Let's see how emotions sound in real chat.
I'm a bit nervous about tomorrow's event.
I get that. Big events always bring nerves. But you'll do great.
Thanks. What about you?
I'm excited, I love meeting people.
Now let's break it down together. Repeat. I'm a bit nervous. Big events bring nerves. I'm excited.
Notice, a bit nervous sounds softer than very nervous. Little words change the emotion's strength.
Challenge. Record your own version of this dialogue and listen to your intonation. Here's a true story. One morning, I had to speak at a big event. I felt overwhelmed, nervous, and tense. But after speaking, I felt relieved, proud, even a bit euphoric. Later that day, I visited my grandma. Talking with her made me feel calm, grateful, and nostalgic.
See? Same day, so many feelings.
Share your day's emotional journey in the comments. We'll read and maybe feature yours.
Feelings are universal, but the way we express them changes from culture to culture, and this can surprise English learners.
For instance, in the US, people might say, I'm super excited, and it sounds normal. But in Northern Europe, you might hear, I'm quite pleased, which sounds calmer.
In Japan, saying I'm angry directly might feel too strong, so people soften it, it's a little inconvenient, or it troubles me.
And in Mediterranean countries like Spain or Greece, people often speak louder, use their hands, and show joy or frustration openly.
When I visited Italy, I noticed locals smiling and gesturing even when giving directions. It felt warm.
In contrast, in the UK, people might say, not too bad, to mean I'm good. The understatement is cultural.
Learning tip: notice not just what is said, but how, voice, body language, tone. Try copying the style that fits you.
Mini challenge. Next time you watch an English movie or series, write down 3 ways characters express emotions differently than you do in your culture. Writing is one of the best tools to lock in new words. Let's create a feelings diary, but let's go beyond just listing words.
Each day, write. One emotion you felt. What caused it? What you did about it. A new English word or idiom that fits.
Example. I was frustrated because I lost my keys, but then relieved when I found them. Today I learned the idiom, at the end of my rope.
Add creative twists, draw an emoji, write one sentence with because, and one with but. I felt sad because it rained, but later I felt peaceful reading a book.
Over time, you'll build a library of feelings and stories, perfect for speaking practice too.
Viewer task: share your diary entry in the comments. Let's turn this into a community notebook.
Idioms make your English sound alive. Let's add even more. Walking on air, very happy. In low spirits, sad. Hit the roof, very angry. A bundle of nerves, extremely nervous. Keep your cool, stay calm.
And slang used in daily life. Pumped, very excited. Gutted, UK, very disappointed. Zen, calm. Freaked, very scared or shocked.
Practice. Use one idiom plus feeling in a sentence. I was a bundle of nerves before my test, but then I kept my cool.
Advanced tip: idioms show culture too. For example, walking on air uses a visual metaphor to show lightness and joy.
Mini challenge. Pick your favorite idiom, draw it, and explain it in English. Visual learning helps memory.
Let's roleplay deeper emotions, not just happy or sad.
Imagine you're about to meet someone important. How are you feeling?
Great. Possible answers: I'm nervous but hopeful. A bit overwhelmed, but excited too.
Now flip roles.
And you? How's your mood today?
I feel nostalgic. I saw an old photo this morning.
Extra step: record yourself, then watch and notice your tone and pace.
Fun tip. Add body language. Smile for excited. Sigh for tired. Roll eyes gently for frustrated. It trains your emotional fluency.
Let's go deeper. Before my first live podcast, I felt my hands shake, classic sign of nerves. But the moment Sophie started talking, I shifted to feeling focused. When I heard the audience laugh at our first joke, I felt relieved.
That moment shows how emotions move quickly.
After the episode, walking home, I felt proud, then reflective, thinking of what I could do better.
Stories help vocabulary stick. Now your turn. Tell us a story with at least 3 emotions. Use one idiom. Finish with what you learned.
Extra challenge: add time words like at first, later, finally makes your English sound natural.
Let's use art to talk feelings. Pick one song that makes you hopeful, one movie that makes you nostalgic, one quote that lifts your mood.
Example: the song Happy makes me cheerful. The movie Inside Out makes me think about childhood, it's nostalgic. Quote: this too shall pass calms me.
Viewer activity. Make your own feelings playlist. Write it in English, share it in comments.
And next time you feel something strong, pause and say, right now, I feel because.
That practice trains you to speak about feelings in real time, the best fluency skill. 1, which means very happy. A, down in the dumps. B, over the moon.
2, softer. A, I'm so angry. B, I'm a bit upset.
3, true, false. I'm feeling anxious and I feel anxious are both correct.
Comment your answers.
Film yourself. Today I feel because.
Or write about a funny mistake. I said excited when I meant nervous.
We might feature your story next episode.
Today we explored feelings vocabulary, idioms and slang, stories and culture, writing and speaking practice, roleplay and quizzes.
Daily practice builds real fluency. Even 10 minutes helps.
So keep practicing, comment, and share this video so more learners join us.
And tell us, what topic next? We love your ideas.
This was the Daily Dialogue. Speak smart. Think global.